I got the new fitting on the fuel tank. This will adapt to our new braided fuel lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back in before I drop the rear of the car back down to the ground. So I got the MIG welder out here and got it all welded up. I'll let her cool down, throw some paint on her. I need to go ahead and cut these original training mounts. Go ahead and cut those out. That'll give us a little more room for exhaust. I got my torque converter bolts, which I won't use those till I mount it to the transmission. But we'll go ahead and put the torque converter in, throw the transmission on the engine, set her down in there. Alright, here's the 10th one. Sometimes it's a pain by yourself, but we gotta get her done. Exciting moment. Front bolts are in. Now let's go downstairs and see how close our cross member bolts line up. In case you guys are wondering what that noise is, there's a There's an emu farm across the street. Alright, bolts are in. Let me go get a socket. Yikes. I'm gonna let it down the rest of the way. Alright. All the weight is off the jack. She's in there. She is in there. It's actually the first time I've had it in there with the manifolds on, and they look good. Plenty of room. Alright, I got my performance gear break-in lubricant protectant. They recommend to put that on the gear. I'm going to put a little adhesive on my gasket. That'll just help hold it in place. In. Then it comes with this phasing cap. So put it on like that, spin it, and it drops right there. That's where you mark it. You can mark the cap or the distributor itself. And that, they call this a phasing cap. That lets you know that that's where the #1 spark plug goes. And then use. That's the way it goes. Short one. I have to move you guys. Tell you what, it's a lot easier to work on this thing outside the car. Alright, that's tight. That's tight. That's pretty much it for the distributor. We got our plug down here for the harness. That'll go. Alright, motor's in. I went ahead and set my distributor. That's in where it needs to be. The sniper throttle body, that's on there, just sitting on there. I was checking clearance for the hood. We're going to clear that. Also need to mount my coolant temperature sensors, pulleys, alternator brackets, AC compressor, fan, fuel lines. Seems like the list goes on and on. But we made a lot of progress today. I was happy with cross member, man, that lined right up. We got that all welded up today. I'm gonna have to drop that dry shaft, send that off to the shop, get a new one made. But pretty good day.